Hi guys, it's me again. I'm sorry if my camera's upside down for the weight. It's me again. We're gonna be doing another slime video, but it's gonna be instead of with dish soap, it's gonna be with hand soap. So let's try this. So let's get right into the video. As you guys see, we still have the mess from last time. I still have a little bit of cornstarch in there. We can add a little bit more. Wait. Oh, dang. It's a very lot. Spilling everywhere, but that's okay. My mom wouldn't understand. Or would she? Okay, we have a very big mess, but that's alright. We have some hand soap, just some random soap. I don't know where our mixer went. Oh yeah, it's still in my room. So we're still gonna try to mix it with our fingers. Like I think that, like as you guys can see, it's very sticky. So I think we're gonna need some more soap. So, like I said, you guys might need more and more cornstarch in there or more and more soap. It doesn't matter. And I don't think this one's coming together like the way I thought it would. It kind of is, but not really as good as the other one. As you guys can see, it's not that good. It's not that stretchy. So I wouldn't recommend this one. Let's try something different. We can always keep on trying. So this time I'm thinking about trying maybe shampoo, body wash, something like that. Not very anything really fancy. Something really cheap. Any type. I just have really cheap cheap kinds. So we're just gonna scoop up this mess really quick. So, thank you. We have more cornstarch. Oh, sorry guys. We have more cornstarch, and I'm just gonna get our body wash. And we're gonna try this body wash. It's just any type of body wash that we just have in the house that we have a ton of. So we're just gonna take that and mix that. I'm gonna need another mixer, so I'm gonna need another mixer. Oh wait guys, sorry. It's taking me so long. I had to make a whole new mixing tool because I did not feel like going back in my room. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing it. It's already getting a slimy consistency. Sorry, like I told you in the other video that my voice is really low. Remind you, is 12 something at night. So I'm just going to pick it up just to mix it up really well. So we're just going to put some cornstarch in there. Mix it up some more. Okay, let's move it to a cleaner space. So you know I have two parts of my sink, so just moved it to a cleaner space. So you're just gonna keep on adding as much cornstarch as you need. I'm gonna need a lot because I think I put a lot of shampoo, conditioner, and you know what I mean, body wash, whatever. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing it in to get like the Play-Doh-y consistency. Just gonna rip that off really quick. Okay, I'll be right back to add some more. Okay, just add some more in there. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing it. And I just got the consistency that I needed. So you're just gonna dump out all of it. And you guys can just knead it if you guys would like. I don't know, and maybe if you guys need to, add some more of that. Just like roll it in there or whatever, just to get the consistency that you need. My other slime, actually, thinking about combining, if this actually works, combining both of them together. Oh dang, I'm making a really big mess in here. You guys don't even know. Mom's gonna be really mad at me. That's okay, she'll understand. I told her I was making slime. So I don't think this one's work as good as the other one did. But that's alright too. It's not. We're just trying things out. See if things work. What other things you can use. Actually, this is actually I think it might be pretty good. Let's see if it was to happen if we was to add a little bit of lotion in there. So I just have the same lotion that I had the last time, the sweet pea. There's a little bit in there, and we're just gonna roll it up in there. I heard that lotion makes it stretchier or something, I don't know. Or more soft or something, I don't know. It actually turns out really good if you were to add lotion into it. Hold on, wait, this has a piece of hair in it, and I don't think I want hair in my slime, because that really makes me mad when I see hair in my slime. Okay, it's harder than I thought to get out a piece of hair. This is a very big disaster. Okay, I'll be right back just to go get a freaking something to clean my hands and stuff with. Okay, I'm back. I just got a towel. That's it, just a little towel. And we're just gonna keep on mixing it. If you need to, you can just roll it back in your cornstarch. And that's it. It's not that really, it's kind of pullable. So let's clean up our section real quick, and I'll be back with another video to show you guys how to mix it up, what it's gonna look like, and that's it. Bye.